In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line in TradingView. Whether you're marking a trend, highlighting a level, or simply guiding your eye on the chart, drawing a clean line is one of the simplest and most helpful things you can do. First, look to the left side of your TradingView chart. That vertical bar is your toolbox for all things drawing. Near the top, you'll see a set of icons, and the second one is dedicated to line tools. It often looks like a diagonal slash. If you don't see exactly what you want right away, hover over that icon and click the small caret next to it. That opens a panel with more line options, so you can pick the type of line that suits your purpose. Now, choose a line tool. You'll notice TradingView offers several variations. Each one connects points on your chart in a straight line, but they're named based on how they extend or how traders commonly use them. For this demonstration, any standard line option will do. The important part is that you've selected a line tool from that second icon's menu. With your line tool selected, move your cursor onto the chart. To draw the line, click once where you want the line to begin. This first click sets your anchor point. Then, move your mouse to where you want the line to end and click again. TradingView will instantly connect those 2 points with a straight line. That's it. Your line is placed. If you're marking a visual pattern, choose 2 meaningful spots on the price chart, like a significant low and a later high, or 2 peaks that form a clear edge. Your line will make that relationship easy to see at a glance. If your line doesn't land exactly where you intended, don't worry. You can always try placing it again until it looks right. Taking a second to zoom in before you click can help you anchor your line more precisely, especially around candlestick wicks or exact levels. To recap, open the drawing tools on the left. Use the second icon or the caret beside it to reveal more line choices. Select your preferred line tool, then click your first point and your second point on the chart. You've just created a clean, accurate line in TradingView, ready to guide your analysis. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using lines to make your charts clearer and your decisions more confident.